Good morning, boys. What is good? Today is Tuesday, June 3rd. Caught around 30 points, made $2,500 plus 1,200 or 1,100 times 5 plus 2,500. Oh, wait, minus 500 because I have 4 fucking accounts. Wow, okay. Hold up, let me do that math again. Times 5 plus, all right. Made $7,500 today trading Nasdaq. Let's get into a little trade recap for you guys. So, bias coming into market open, extremely bullish. Why? Look at the daily time frame. We are rejecting a daily order block and daily bullish fair value gap, and we have this big ass wick, which is a great draw on liquidity and all-time highs resting above us. Hop down to the 4-hour, right? Did we tap into a 4-hour PD rate? No. Did we tap into a bearish 4-hour PD rate? No, we are still in. Yes, we are in a bearish 4-hour fair value gap, but I don't care because it's not in the same leg. And also, current 4-hour structure of this leg is bullish. We broke structure, creating several order blocks below us. Is there a 4-hour fair value gap or anything? No, this is just a simple retrace down. No break of structure to the downside. Here's where it gets weird. On the hourly, we still don't tap anything. There's nothing that we tap here that makes price go up, but we still get a 1-hour CISD to the upside, right there. We also inversed all these bearish fair value gaps. The fact that we inversed this bearish 1-hour, the fact that we inversed this bearish 1-hour gap is what really told me that price wanted to take out previous day high. Because you can see here we did have previous day high resting above us, as well as these gaps and highs, right? So my draw was obviously, oh, it looks like we're actually going to pull back into this 1-hour gap. But the fact that we inversed this bearish 1-hour told me that we wanted to take out previous day high. So I waited for lower time frame confirmation. My computer's like overheating on me. What was lower time frame confirmation? Hop down to the 15-minute. We actually have nothing here. We didn't tap into any of these gaps besides respecting the CISD. But just the fact that we were respecting this 1-hour and 15-minute CISD told me that price didn't want to push up higher. So it was mainly based off the higher time frame. The fact that the 1-hour inversed told me that price didn't want to push up. 15-minute, nothing. 5-minute. This is where it gets interesting, right? We inverse this gap. All right, we inverse this bearish 5-minute, break above this high, telling us that price is ready to push up higher, right? But when we create this 5-minute, we inverse this 5-minute, which is stupid, right? But then we break back above it, telling us that price is really bullish. Thus creating this 5-minute, I don't know if it's an order block, a breaker block, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm going to call it a breaker block, actually, because it was technically a bearish order block. Creating a 5-minute bullish breaker block, right? Hop down to the 3-minute. What do we see? There's nothing here. Hop down, or 3-minute. Look, nothing there. 2-minute, nothing there. 1-minute, we have this 1-minute bearish fair value gap right here. Price is extremely sloppy right now, by the way. This is very sloppy price action. Hop down to the 1-minute. You see a bearish 1-minute gap, right? What does price do here at 9.29? Inverse it. That's when I entered long. Targeting previous day high. Now my fill was terrible, so I only made 500, which is 25 points. I only made 500 on, what's it called? Per account on Top Step. I did make 1.1 per account on Tradeify, which was a lot better. Much more happy with that. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, honestly, feel free to let me know. Have any questions about the trade? It was based off bullish bias, 1-hour bearish fair value gap getting inverse, 1-hour bullish CISD, 1-minute inversion, and we had previous day high as a target. It wasn't based off any low time frame confirmations besides the 1-minute and 5-minute breaker block. The 15-minute was bullish, but it did not tap into any PD rays. The 1-hour was bullish. It was not tapping into PD rays, but it was disrespecting bearish ones, which is just as good. So if you guys have any questions, Let me know. I'll be there to answer. All right? Have a nice day, boys. Safe trading and peace out.